Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another card making video. Today I have a really fun insert card for you. This is my Peppermint mouse insert card. How fun is that cute little ornament there? There's space on the inside for your message, and of course I include an envelope as well. This card is inspired by one of our newest decorations for Christmas that we got this year. It is a Mickey Mouse peppermint ornament that's kind of large. It sits on the floor next to our fireplace, and we just love it. Every time that I look at it, I always think this would be such a great and easy Christmas card, so that's where this design comes from. Like all of my insert cards, this can be made on any Cricut cutting machine ranging from the Cricut Joy all the way up to the Cricut Venture. This card comes together so easily and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any card making fun. And with that, let's get into the materials. For this project, you're going to need your Cricut cutting machine, your standard grip or light grip cutting mat, scoring wheel or scoring stylus, Cricut brayer, Cricut scraper, a Cricut pen in whatever color you choose, glue and adhesive, and your cardstock. You may also need a weeding tool as well. Now that we know what materials we need, let's go ahead and get started with step 1. Step 1. Get the SVG cut file. Alright, here we are at my website, thebeardedhousewife.com. If you don't have an account on my website already, you can go to the sign up button and you'll be brought to a page with all of our different membership tiers. We have free, basic, and premium memberships. Go ahead and take a look at the list of options available for each membership and you can choose which one is right for you. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and click sign in. I'll go ahead and enter my credentials and log into the website. And now I've logged into my account. To find the file library, you can go to the Files tab in the main navigation bar. Now this file is free, which means it's available to all different membership tiers. Those with free memberships can find the file in the Free Files page. Basic and Premium members can find the file in the File Library. For this project, you'll want to look for number 846. That is the Peppermint mouse insert card. Go ahead and download the file to your computer, make sure to unzip the file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. Now that we have a new project open in Cricut Design Space, we can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer, click Open, Continue, and Upload. Step 3. Convert score lines and any text. Now that our project has been brought into our canvas, we can ungroup the design. We have some converting to do to some of the score lines, so let's first find the envelope. Click on this little icon here to drop down the layers. Highlight this top layer. Come up to the operation menu and change that to score. Highlight the group and attach. Now let's concentrate on the card base. Click on the little icon. This top layer right here is going to be your score line. So come up to the operation menu and change that to score. This second layer, we want the machine to draw this on. So highlight that layer, come up to the operation menu and change that to pen. I want to keep the outline black, but you can change the color right here if you wish. Highlight the entire group and attach. Once those two pieces have been converted, go ahead and click Make. And you can see the different mats for this project. Click Continue. I'll be using a variety of medium weight cardstock for this project. I'm going to go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to assemble. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your card. Okay, I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to assemble. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fold and burnish along the score line on the card base. Now we'll go ahead and open up the card, and I'm going to feed the insert through the slits on the card base. There we go, looking cute already. Now I'm going to add glue to the top of the ornament for the ornament holder. I use my tweezers to grab that because it is pretty small. And place that right there on top. Just like that. Super cute. I'm going to set the card to the side for just a minute. Let's go ahead and make the envelope. For the envelope, we're going to fold and burnish along the score lines. Take our inlay panel. We're going to add glue along the outer edge of the inlay panel. Flip the inlay over, place it over the cutout on the envelope flap. Spin the envelope around, bring those side flaps in, add glue to the bottom of the side flaps. With your thumbs, go ahead and push up and press. And that forms our cute little envelope. And our card is all set. How easy was this card? Isn't it super cute? I don't think that you have to be a huge Disney fan to enjoy this card. My family is very big on Disney. I grew up going to Disney every single year. I just recently started taking my kids and my husband down beginning of this past year, and it of course reignited all of that magic and all those wonderful feelings that Disney kind of embodies. In fact, my kids even wanted to start a YouTube channel specifically for our Disney travels. If you're interested in following along in all of our different Disney vacations, you can find the link in the description box below. I hope that you like this card. If you make this, I hope that you share it with us in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. That's going to do it for today's video. I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next card making video. Bye-bye.